Welcome! I will teach too many color today. This is red. Red balls converting to red rings. We are seeing that rainbow. And the next one, yellow. Please repeat again. Yellow balls. And converting to yellow ring. Rainbow. And the next one, green balls. Too many green balls. Repeat again. Green. And the next one. I'm excited. What is next? We are seeing that orange. Please repeat. Orange ball. Orange balls. Orange ring. And the next one. Rainbow turning. Wow. Blue. Blue balls. Blue balls. Repeat again. Blue. And the next one. I'm wondering. Please subscribe my channel and follow. I will teach too many colors. This is pink balls. Did you see that? Pink balls and pink ring. What is next? I'm so wondering. The next one. Oh, very similar. Purple. Purple balls converting to purple ring. Please repeat again. Purple. And we are so close. The latest one. Black balls. Please repeat. Thank you for watching my videos. See you then. Bye bye.